Hey guys, good day. Welcome back again to my channel. Good morning. It's morning, yeah. So hi.
Hello.
Say good morning now.
Good morning.
So guys, in today's video, I am going to be cooking for my family. I want to take you guys along what I'm going to cook for them today.
Wait.
Yeah.
So,
She's
doing so?
Yes.
And then she did so.
Yeah.
Then she went so.
I want to take you guys along on my Saturday routine. So what I'm about to do now, I want to cook for my family, so I decided to take you guys along. So guys, let me quickly show you guys the cream I bought the last time. So I bought this lemon body lotion. So I want to give it a try. I've been in Nigeria, so I used to use it. So this one is still the lotion. So I want to give the two a try. This one is the body milk. This one lotion milk with vitamin PP and some. Let's show you, I don't know. And I also got the serum. It's €9.99. Let's say €10 for the serum. So I got two because I don't know when I'm going to that place again. So we are going to be preparing this yam today. So I'll be roasting it. Hopefully that one will be for I with my husband. I don't think the children will eat that. And this is carrot, so I think you should give me more carrot. And we are also having bell pepper here. We have three colors of bell pepper and more carrots. And we also have katofe. Here they call it katofe, which means not katofe in English, potato, Irish potato. So we have Irish potato here. And we are going to be peeling it. Throw this away. So this is the spices we are going to be using. We have garlic powder. We also have what do they call it? Ginger powder and chili powder and the curry powder. And this is another chili powder again. This is for Africa. So we brought this in Africa, in Nigeria precisely. So this is why it's giving me a happy hand in the kitchen. So guys, I want to peel this. Did you watch the knife you use? I want to start peeling the yam now. Yeah, I'll try to remove this back up on it. Put it inside that rubber. Bring that rubber. No, leave it. It's like that, something eat it. We have something. Fit here at the middle. Something past it. So that I can use it too. So that I can use it to put the yam. This one is kaput.
This one only has like 10 seconds.
Salt. You have to add a bit of salt. $20. Huh? This is just a normal crayfish now. Normal crayfish. Scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm going to bring it. So let me open the glass. So I've added salt, onions, so the yam is ready. So let me. The pepper. It's ready. So this is it. So so can you guys see it? It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Thank you for watching.